Would you like to know more about the mortgage process or the home buying process? Are you unsure of where to start? Let's talk about that now and let's create that connection. Justin Cotton here. Today, I'm going to break down the home loan process into just a few simple basic steps. It's easy to follow and I think you will enjoy it. First step, getting pre-approved. We will collect basic information and important documents like your income, assets, and tax documents. This will allow us to determine the different loan programs and options that are available to you. Second step, schedule your pre-purchase consultation with my team and I. Yes, I said options. You might qualify for more than just one loan program. Once we have met, you're ready to go shopping. You'll know exactly the purchase price to shop for based off the monthly payment that best fits your finances. Third step, time to shop. Shopping for a home is the most exciting part about buying a home. Work with your realtor to find the home that best fits you and your family, and importantly, works well with your overall finances. Your realtor will guide you through the process and answer all of your questions. Fourth step, the loan process starts. Once you have found a home and your offer is accepted, the loan process will start. This is where your documents will be reviewed by underwriting for approval and your appraisal will be ordered. Once underwriting is complete, it's almost time to celebrate. Fifth step, schedule your closing. As we get near your closing date, it's time to schedule your closing. You will work with your realtor and title company to schedule your closing date and time. At closing, you will sign the final documents, making you a new homeowner, and it's time to celebrate. Are you wondering where to get started? It's simple. Contact myself or my team at 501-303-4203 and we'll get you set up. You can also apply online at thejustinCottonTeam.com. If you have questions, feel free to post them below or contact my team and I. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, hit the like button, give us a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. See you next time.